A lot of people ask us, should I get a co-founder for my startup idea? Should I bring someone else that I know on this journey to complement my team? And I want to go into a few things that people maybe don't think about when they go into partnerships with other people. So firstly, getting this out of the way, I'm huge on doing business with other people. I own a number of companies, but there isn't one of them that I own even 50% of, actually. So I'm really big on sharing the pie with other people that can add value to my skill sets to make sure that I can actually build great companies. So that's that out of the way. So it's definitely something you want to aim for. But where a lot of people get stuck is going into business with the wrong people. In the biggest study ever done as to why startups fail, co-founder conflict was in the top 3. So a lot of companies die because the original founders weren't the right mix. They weren't the right people to get along. So you have to think about that. It's exactly the same as romantic relationships. You don't just jump straight into marriage with someone on the first date. So you have to take it slow. Don't talk about commercial things. Don't talk about what ownership structure it will be too early. Really take your time, get to know the other person, and see how much value that they're adding to your business before you start to talk about ownership structures. It's obviously awesome if it's someone that you've known for a long time. Some people are worried about going into business with their romantic partner or friends, but of course there's risks there, but it is magical as well when you get it right. So if there's that layer of trust from years of friendship or relationship, it can work really well in getting through those initial barriers of a business partnership. So that's always better than a stranger a lot of the time. And another huge tip, this is probably the last one I'll leave you with, is in startups we use something called vesting, which is a way that we give shares in a company to another person. So the riskiest thing you can do is go into business with someone and then just give them 50% of your company day one. What happens if they fall in love with someone in France and then fly away and bail on the company within 6 months? What happens if they underdeliver and don't do the things that they said that they were going to do? So vesting is a very simple concept. It's used in startups. It should be used in traditional businesses more often. It's a simple concept of you earning, even yourself, earning the equity in your company over time. So it might be, if it was 50%, it might be over 4 years that you gradually get that equity, you and your business partner and any of the staff that you bring on that you want to give ownership in your company. Protects everyone and it protects the business. If anyone walks, they only get the equity that they've accrued up to that moment in time. So that's a big one. Don't just give out chunks of your company up front like they're hotcakes. You have to be careful. Hope that helps.